Before starting the cleaning process, you should run your hand over the headlight, making sure it isn't hot or coarse. If the headlight is hot, cool the headlight with a little water. Do not start the cleaning process if the headlights are hot or coarse. 1. Open packet number 1, unfold the wipe, and clean the headlight thoroughly using the wipe provided. 2. Dry the headlight using a paper towel. The headlight will look slightly matte after wiping. 3. Repeat the first 2 processes to clean and dry the second headlight. 4. Make sure both headlights are totally dry. 5. Open packet number 2, do not unfold the wipe, and wipe thoroughly both headlights with the wipe provided. The headlights are good as new. You should avoid getting the headlights wet for half an hour and do not wash the car for at least 24 hours. Clear Lights Tech. Quick and easy professional-grade headlight restoration. Patent pending.